Hello, this is Laura Sayers of the Laura and Tim Sayers team at Long Realty Company. Today I want to talk to you about a hidden gem in Rancho Vistoso in Oro Valley. It's called Honeybee Canyon Park. Everyone always talks about the miles of hiking trails at Catalina State Park, but not a lot of people know about Honeybee Canyon Park, which is right in the center of Rancho Vistoso. It has plenty of parking, ramadas, even bathrooms, and these trails are just wonderful that go through the canyon. There are two sets of trails, the Nature Trail and the Petroglyph Trails. The Nature Trail loop is an easy 2/3 of a mile loop that I recommend doing in a counterclockwise direction. One of the highlights of this trail is the Old Dam, which marks the halfway point of the loop trail. There are several offshoots from this trail if you want to extend your hike even further. But my favorite trail is the Petroglyphs Trail. For this trail, take the trailhead from the parking lot down into the wash. And once you hit the wash, head right under the Rancho Vistoso Bridge. This is an easy 2.3 mile out and back trail. Since you're walking in a sandy wash, it's like walking on the beach, and it will give your legs quite a workout. Even though you're in the heart of Rancho Vistoso, if you just get a short ways up that trail, you're going to feel like you've left civilization behind. You will be surrounded by a magnificent saguaro forest with natural rock outcroppings, mesquite and palo verde trees, and running water at certain times of the year. On my last hike, we even saw dozens of small frogs enjoying the last puddles left by the monsoon rains. Of course, the highlight of this trail is finding the petroglyphs created by the Hohokam Native Americans many years ago. Look for the large rock on the left of the trail a little before you hit the dam. And nearby you will also see indentations in the flat rocks where the Hohokam ground grains and sand into flour. Now, just before the dam, we turned around because this is 2.3 miles in total back to the parking lot. Honeybee Canyon is just filled with ancient history. In fact, the Hohokams were thought to have settled the area as far back as 450 AD. There is a settlement near Honeybee Canyon called Honeybee Village, which includes a cluster of 19 large mounds surrounding a plaza and a ball court. There are 500 to 800 homes in this area. In the future, Honeybee Village will be an archaeological preserve open to the public, owned by the town of Oro Valley. This village is not accessible by a hike. Thank you for watching my video on Honeybee Canyon hiking. If you have any questions about this area, feel free to call me. I've been working in this area for over 21 years, and we're a very experienced team. Happy to answer any of your questions. You can reach me, Laura Sayers, 520-390-6000. You can also text this number, or if you prefer email, laura@soldtucson.com. Thanks again for watching my video.